Hello, this video is a room tour of the first Hyatt in New Zealand. Park Hyatt are Hyatt's top-tier luxury properties. There are 48 of them around the globe and almost half of them are located in Asia. Let's check out our one king bed Harbour view rooftop with a balcony. The bathroom is very spacious and the toiletries are provided by the label. This room feels like a suite. There's a living room, an extra bathroom, and the room itself is very spacious. Far, all of the Park Hyatt hotels I have been to, they all have a great swimming pool in terms of the length.